Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Camera Junc. We are uploading camera-related gadgets frequently. In this video you will find Mongoose Capture Bike Helmet, available in adult and youth versions, features a GoPro camera mount. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details, brand Mongoose. Color black. Age range, description, teen. Size youth. Special feature adjustable. Model named Mongoose Capture Bike Helmet, youth, black. Outer material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. Vehicle service type street bike. Recommended uses for product cycling. Team name Mongoose. Item package dimensions LXWXH 17.52 by 9.8 by 7.32 inches. Package weight 0.45 kilograms. Brand name Mongoose 1.